These are the assembly instructions for the American-style BLS36 Lazy Susan cabinet. This cabinet comes in 3 boxes. Start with the UF. It contains the side panels, top and bottom shelves, the back panels, the kickboard, hinges, and hardware box. Grab your frame from the U-box. Attach the frame together as such, screwing through the pre-drilled holes. Once that's secure, attach the cam lock screws to the frame. Now place both side panels to the frame and lock the cam locks and tighten. Place one back panel and screw through the pre-drilled holes to the extended frame piece. Screw through the side panel to the back panel. Now, open your Lazy Susan box. Line your mechanism up with the mark on the middle of the turntable and screw it tight. Center your turntable onto the bottom shelf. It should sit roughly 1.25 inches back from all the edges. Pre-drill, then screw from underneath the top shelf into the turntable mechanism using around 3 screws. Place dowels into the pre-drilled holes on the side of the bottom shelf, and we are ready to install the shelf on our back panels. Install the bottom shelf to the cabinet as such. Now grab the other back panel, slide it into place, and install. Now the top shelf. Place the shelf pin locks on the bottom of the shelf. Install the turntable mechanism much the same. Then set your shelf on the cam lock screws and lock the shelf to the screws. Now we're going to install the door. Install the hinges to the door itself, screwing through the pre-drilled holes. Install the door on your desired side. Make sure the door is flush with the bottom of the frame, then screw the hinges to the frame. Now for the magnet strike. Place the magnet with the metal plate attached where you want it installed. Screw the magnet to the frame. Make sure the metal plate is flush with the frame. Then screw your metal plate to the door so it strikes the plate perfectly. And here we have one American-style BLS36 Lazy Susan cabinet ready for installation.